Welcome to Email Blaster Analytics. In this video we're going to take a look at your social media interactions. Often in your campaign you may include a social media block at the top or bottom of your mailer. This enables your subscribers to visit your social media pages such as Facebook and engage with you. Analytics will automatically track all these engagements for you. So from here we can see 5 people clicked on our Blue Sky link, 3 on our Facebook link, and so on. This is broken down into some easy digestible graphs to see which was your most popular social media engagements. You can click on each bar of the chart to view exactly who engaged with you. So if we click on the YouTube icon, we can see there was 4 people, and here's the list of the 4 people that visited us on YouTube. You can click on the close button, bottom right, to exit this detail page. And that's a quick look at understanding your social media interactions. See you in the next one.